Morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am grade 3 science teacher. And remember the last topic in chapter number 2 plants. We studied about the various different types of plants. Some were flowering plants and some were non-flowering plants. In this category, both the categories we studied the different types of plants. Then we studied the plants that can be grouped where one type when they grow on land and the other type that grows in water. So now we have to discuss a few questions in this context. So the first question is, what can you get from plants? So the answer you can find it from your book only, that the plants directly or indirectly provide food, clothing, and fuel, shelter, and other necessities of life. You know, the plants provide shelter to the birds, and it provides clothing and fuel and food to the different organs. Then the second question is, what type of plants are in mountainous areas? In that also we studied in cold mountainous areas. Spruce trees are generally tall and grow straight. Their leaves are needle shaped and tough enough to withstand the cold climate. So these plants grow in the mountainous areas. Now come to question number 3. Is the papaya plant a flowering or a non-flowering plant? So you have studied in the chapter that the flowering plants are rose plant, papaya plant, and mango trees. So now you got the answers that yes, papaya is a flowering plant. Now what are aquatic plants? Aquatic plants you also got it from this chapter, and that is plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants and can be found in rivers, lakes, ponds, and oceans. And they have special features to help them survive in water. And I have told you before also that aquatic plants survive in water because they have wax coated leaves to prevent them from getting soaked and damaged by the water, so they can survive in water. So this was today's work. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Hope you understand the lesson and you can do it yourself.